to connect Discord account to BungieNet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to BungieNet. So first of all, just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of the mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings option from the top right corner. And now under the account settings option you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply click on add from the top right corner again, and over here just simply scroll down until you will be able to see the option called BungieNet. Just simply tap on it, and now it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your credentials in order to log in into your BungieNet account. And once you have successfully logged in into your BungieNet account, just simply click on continue in order to connect your Discord and BungieNet successfully, and you will be done. Yeah, this is basically how simple it is to connect Discord account to BungieNet. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.